Oh, man, my back's so tight. I can't even bend over to get this lacrosse ball. Oh, man, it really kills after that WOD. My back is just blown up. You guys ever feel like that? If you have, this one's for you. Here's an easy way to unload your spine. By the way, welcome back to the Human Performance Project. An easy way to unload your spine to help get some of that discomfort alleviated. So if you're having trouble getting down to the ground, by all means, keep your back flat, get down to the ground, right? Because you got your QL all fired up and your back just feels so tight you can't move around. You can use your hands to get down and support yourself and roll onto the ground and then roll to your back. And then once you're here, you're like, oh, all right, this isn't terrible. Let's spend a few minutes here, right? Take your hands and put the center of your palm here right on the middle of your thigh. Slide down your leg until you touch your hip bones, or as close as you can get. Keep your head on the floor and very, very gently begin to push your legs away. And just push extremely gently, slowly increasing the pressure until you maybe feel like a little alleviation in your lower back, or a sense of relief or unloading. Right? It's called traction. If that helps out and that decreases your pain some, hang out there. Let's hang out here for about 10 to 15 seconds and then very slowly take that pain off. I'm sorry, that pressure off, right? And relax. Same thing, 10 to 15 seconds. Most people relax for 1 second and try to go right back into it. Nope, wait a minute, right? And then push slowly again till you feel that same unloading. Be lazy about it. Do as little work as possible to get that unloading. If I pick my head up, my abs kick on, and that goes away. So I gotta stay relaxed here. Now, if you do this, and it feels better right away, good. Keep doing it until it stops getting better. If you do it once or twice, and it doesn't feel better right away, that's also okay. Sometimes you need a few minutes for that relief to build up. And then if you've been laying there for 2 minutes and then, oh wow, all of a sudden this actually is starting to feel really good. Again, keep doing it until it stops getting better. You can lay there for 10, 15 minutes and do that without an issue. Right? Afterwards, you can roll to your side, use your hands to push yourself up, grab your handy dandy lacrosse ball here, and we're actually gonna get right into that QL muscle. Now that QL muscle is a tricky guy to get into because it sits between the ribs, right? Actually comes off the ribs and the transverse processes of the spine, and it connects right to the hip crest. So we got to get in there obliquely to get at it. We can't go posteriorly because you've got your big pair of spinals that kind of sit in the way there. They make it really hard to get in there. So we've got to finagle our way in here, right? Obliquely between the ribs and the hip crest. So we also want to keep our back flat. So what we're going to do is use a box or a bench, fall to your side again, lift those feet up there. Prop them up, right? And then you're gonna wanna put this ball obliquely, not right on the back, not right on the side, but somewhere in the middle, maybe a little bit more towards the back. So when you roll back, it's like almost sliding out. And then what you're gonna do is just pull yourself over and roll on top of it and adjust your shoulders over, move around a little bit till you find, oh, there it is. That's the tender spot for me, right? And then we're just gonna hang out there and relax and breathe. Deep breath in the nose. Count to 4, 5, 6. Hold it 2, 3, 4 seconds, and then exhale 4, 5, 6 seconds. And every time you exhale, try to relax a little bit more, right? And as you lay there, that discomfort should start to lessen. If it does so much where it gets to the point that it's mild, you can just pick your butt up a little bit by doing a little hamstring curl here and get a little bit more pressure on that ball, and that's pretty gnarly again for me, right? And we do the same thing. Breathe in, hold it for a couple seconds, slowly breathe out, relax. As you exhale, try to sink into that ball more and more. And you can rack up 2, 3 minutes aside doing that. If it's your left side that's super tight, you might not necessarily need to do the right side. But if it's across your lower back, the whole thing, then yeah, man, give it a shot. All right? So, as always, guys, leave a comment. Let us know how this goes for you. Tag a friend that needs it. Share it. And we'll see you next time on the Human Performance Project.